Living where you love to vacation sounds like a dream, right? Or does it? Hi, I'm Justin Croster with Search CT Shoreline at William Ravis, and I'm going to talk to you about the top 3 pros of owning a vacation home and some things to look out for. Number 1, owning a vacation home is a great way to save money that you would normally throw away on a hotel and temporary comforts. It also gives you less to pack, so you have some freedom to pick up and go whenever you want. Keep in mind that it also makes the upkeep and maintenance your responsibility, so finding the right property manager can help. Number 2, having a vacation home means that you're building equity because property values tend to go up, especially in popular vacation destinations. Also, depending on the area, a vacation home can be a great source of extra rental income. Keep in mind that being in a popular area means that homes can be expensive, so be sure to budget for 2 homes, including a mortgage, property taxes, insurance, utilities, and of course a property manager. You'll also not very popular vacation destinations will allow you to rent your home out to make sure that you check with your local real estate experts to be sure. Number 3, finally, one of the best reasons to own a vacation home is that you can customize the home to your taste and really get to know your neighbors and surroundings, giving you the feeling of being a true local. If you are thinking about getting a vacation home in your area or would like more information on the process, please reach out. We are happy to help. Again, my name is Justin Acosta, Search CT Shoreline.